Okay, so here's, I just wanted to show a little bit of what I've done on the truck. So here's Corsa 285 all-terrain. I just went with cheap tires for now. I put new rims on. Those are 4-inch lug nut spikes on the front and rear. Got a new bumper that I'm working on still. Have the halo headlights. As far as in here goes, we've got the 3-inch diamond eye down pipe off of the turbo that I installed, and when I installed that, I did have to cut the Cobra head on the original turbo down pipe. We got the valve covers loose right now because I have the injectors being rebuilt and they're also being machined down. The internal pistons being machined down on the injectors for the TS6 position chip, just to give it a little more fuel. Have the glow plug gaskets and glow plugs, the new ones in, but everything's just kind of sitting there for now. 52-inch 300 watt LED cree light bar. Put the rack up on top. There's another little light bar up there that I have to put somewhere on the front end. I've kind of sanded the whole truck down just to kind of give it this vintage, rough, apocalyptic looking feel to it. Got my Arizona zombie hunting permit, diesellogic.com, extreme diesel performance. Like I said, I also had the diamond eye 3-inch downpipe. What else? I have a new 7-inch exhaust tip that's going to be going on the truck, but I have to get the 5-inch exhaust finished as soon as the injectors come back. Still have to clean up the interior, it's a little dirty. Yeah, so that's the build so far. Still got a little cleaning to do under the hood. It was a heck of a lot worse when I got the truck. I managed to break the grill when I pulled it out. Not when I pulled it out, but when it was sitting here in the garage. Just stepped on it and broke it, so I've got to get a new one. Mounting plate for the winch. Bumper's just barely put in. So yeah, there's the truck. When I get back in here and start working, I'll do a little more video of everything. Really like those 4-inch lug nuts. Corsa doesn't, all-terrains don't come with white wall lettering, so I did the white wall lettering with a tire paint marker. And then I still have to do the wiring for both light bars, which I already have the wiring harness. I think I got that from protuninglab.com. They sent me the 52-inch light bar, and I ordered the switch and the wiring harness, and they forgot to send the wiring harness and switch to me. So they were pretty fast about getting that out the door. I think it took like 2 days to get it to me, which was awesome. Let's see, there wasn't really anything wrong with the injectors until I put the TS6 position chip in. Once I did that, I know somebody that's a CNC machinist, and they recommended that the pistons, internal pistons, be machined down, I think a 10,000th or something, a little bit, just to squirt out some more fuel for the chip. And after I did all of that, I did have one issue with the gas pedal I gotta fix. The gas pedal sensors have started going out. Not getting much response, or random where there's just no response in the pedals. So I went ahead and, they don't look clean here, but I went ahead and cleaned those up with some electric cleaner. Took them apart, cleaned them up. So now I got to put them back in, but I can't test them out until the injectors are back in. Everything's a mess. Parts are scattered right now. There's the old glow plug harness, old glow plugs. like I said, I've still got a lot to do. Kind of tight on money right now, but I need the truck done in a month, so yeah, I gotta make things happen. The panel here was black, but like I said, I sanded the whole thing down. I want it to look like this. I don't like clean vehicles really. I like vintage, you know, looking stuff. I got to get new emblems. I haven't decided what I want yet. F250 7.3 Powerstroke, something unique. You can see on the paint here, I went ahead and sanded all these close lines. Originally, I was going to do the peroxide and salt and make the truck rust, but I think I'm just going to leave it like that. You can see, I mean, it goes everywhere. Most of the body lines have that, you know, even all the way down here. It's just enough to give it that wear and tear appearance without overdoing it, you know. So light lines here and there. It is down to metal, so I'm sure it will eventually rust, but I mean, it's a pretty badass truck as far as running wise. Originally the 265 75 16 tires were on. These corsas are 285, which also lifted the truck a couple inches maybe, but it looks beefy. When I lifted the truck, well, when I put the bigger tires on, I now have an issue with clearance getting it out of the garage. You can see, you know, back there where the garage door line is up there, the truck's definitely not going to make it out now. So I'm probably going to have to let a lot of air out of the tires and slowly creep it out so the tires don't come off the bead. So yeah, still got a lot of work to do, but for $1,000 truck and all this that I've done to it, it definitely has come quite a ways. It used to be all white. Front panels were completely dented up. I've got parts trucks everywhere, so I just swapped out the parts, the whole underhood. It was an old wood truck, firewood truck, so the entire inside was just covered in sawdust and oil and nasty crap. So I power washed it all off, detailed it. I still got a lot of detailing work to do because I would like a clean engine bay when I'm done. I got the new air filter down there that I've still got to install. New hose for the air filter. That's not a Napa 6637 or whatever it is. It might be, I don't know. I picked it up. It was actually at Goodwill. Duralite. I'm not too sure if you can see the numbers there, but I don't know if it is a Napa 6637 or not. But I bought it for $12.99, and if it is, or if it'll work, it's a heck of a lot better than spending $60-ish for a brand new one, which I don't know, I might end up doing anyways, but couldn't pass it up. The hose is worth that alone, so now I don't have to go buy hose for the air filter. Had this little sensor here go out, came off the fuel bowl. Well, it didn't go out, it was leaking real bad, so I still got to replace that. The glow plug relay, I've still got to put that in. Like I said, I'm still working on things. The hood is white. I've done the same thing with the body lines of the hood as I've done with the truck, so it blends in. Don't know if I want the exhaust to come out somewhere around here. I think that's going to be outrageous to do, so it's probably going to end up going either in front of the rear tire or somewhere right here. And it's 7 inches max that I'd go. I probably should have ordered 6-inch, and I might look for somebody who wants to swap out the 7-inch for a 6-inch tip, but yeah, for now that's the whole build. So I'll post more videos as I get more time.